Let's see how to create the translation screen. It is done in two parts. On the first part, we must create a screen of type translation screen for translating and approving language-dependent attributes. Here, on the translation screen properties, we add the language dimension points that will be available to choose from. We can also add a proper title. Then, on the translation editor component, we added the proper headers, including the language-dependent attributes. Now that we have the translation screen created, we can go to the second part. On the second part, we have to attach a Subscreen tab page component to the translation screen so it will display the attributes to be reviewed. In our case here, we want the translations screen to be displayed on the screen of the lowest level of the product hierarchy, as known as the SKU level. So, we select the proper screen, and on the Node Details properties, we go to the Tab Control properties and add a Subscreen tab page component, which is for displaying a tab that shows a node screen. On the Subscreen tab page properties, on the Details screen parameter, we select the translation screen we created, give the tab a good title, and edit. Now, the Subscreen tab page is attached to the translation screen. Here it is. We have the SKU level screen displaying the translation screen tab, which displays the translation screen. And this is the end of the configuration.